people ask me how did TCL AC achieve 22 million unit sales in 2025 and over 100 million units milestone in just 5 years. The answer lies right here, our smart manufacturing base. Today, we welcome Arsenal football legend, Holbeck Pirés. He's ready to join our game and visit our smart factory. Let's get started. Bonjour Pirés, bienvenue chez TCL Air Conditioner.
Merci. Happy to be here. Let's see how smart this factory is.
TCL AC owns 12 manufacturing bases globally. Our annual output capacity is 38 million units, and we rank among the world's top 2 exporters.
So your products sell globally?
Yeah, sold in more than 160 countries and regions.
Even in Europe?
Yeah, we have rich product line there.
Africa?
Very popular indeed.
South America?
We have very big market share there.
Even Antarctica?
Yes, our AC works well even at minus 30 degrees Celsius. So we don't only sell residential AC, we also have commercial solutions like thermal energy management, data center and industrial sites.
Nice. So which model can I win today?
This one right here, the Freshen 3.0 Ultra.
It looks special. This is a human sensor, no?
Actually, this is our millimeter wave radar. It tracks tiny body movements while you sleep and adjusts temperature and wind speed automatically to make you sleep better.
Oh, nice. So sleep gets much better with this?
Absolutely. And besides, it brings in fresh air indoors non-stop. So no stuffy air, no dry mouth, no headache after a night's sleep.
Fresh air sorry makes sleep more comfortable.
Yeah, and you know what's even better? It also supports voice control. You can control our AC by only talking with it. Would you like to have a try?
Yes.
Yes, okay, let's go.
Hey TCL.
Yes, I am here.
Fresh air.
Okay, the fresh air is on.
Oh, nice. It looks freezing inside the lab, no?
Yes, indeed. This is our climate lab, so it can stimulate temperatures from minus 40 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius, as well as some extreme conditions like snow, storms, and rains, so that we can test the performance and quality of our AC. So just now you asked me about the Antarctica. Do you feel like in the Antarctica now?
You know, I've never been in Antarctica, but I can imagine it's very cold or freezing, like in the lab, yes.
Yeah, but still our AC functions well. You can feel. So we can ensure good performance.
Thank you very much.
This is our noise lab. So listen, the AC runs really quietly.
I can barely hear any sound.
And this AC only makes 16 decibels noise, quieter than a pin dropping.
A quiet operation, it's good for sleep, of course. Let's go.
Hi Pirés, so this is our smart production line. One AC rolls off the line every 7 seconds. And look, even the parts delivery is done by specialized robots.
Wow, it's super intelligent and automatic. So what's this section about?
This is where we make evaporators and condensers. It is the only AI high-precision heat exchanger production line in the world, and it's like a benchmark for AC component production. So this is our AI supercomputing center. It controls over 2,000 AI agents in the factory, and its computing power reaches 30 quadrillion operations per second, which can complete decades of human calculations in just 1 second. The lights out factory works 24 hours a day. No workers, no lights are needed. All work is done by the machines.
It looks futuristic. It must greatly improve work efficiency.
Yes, that's how we make a finished AC in every 7 seconds. And this is the super brain I just told you. It's like the brain of the whole factory, and everything of the production line is shown here.
So you can control everything.
And this AI machine copies human hearing and touching so that it can sense if there are any abnormal noises and vibrations.
This machine looks quite different.
Yes, this is our automatic exterior inspection machine. It can spot tiny flaws. Would you like to have a try?
Yeah, sure. Let me try.
Okay, here's a pen. You can sign on our AC.
Okay, which one?
Anyone.
Anyone?
Yeah, anyone. Okay. So at this point, our ACs are packed and ready to go. Now it's time for our final challenge. Are you ready to win the game and take the AC home?
Yes, I'm definitely winning this. Bring it home.
Okay, let's do a 7-second countdown, the exact time it takes to produce an AC, and see how many juggles you can do.
Okay.
Okay,
Let's go.
Let's go. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes! Congratulations, Pirés!
Thank you very much.
And just now you have visited our factory. What's your feeling and impression?
It's mind blowing. I never imagined home appliance manufacturing could be this intelligent and stunningly easy. The products are packed with futuristic tech. This too has been an incredible experience for me.